internet of value at Ripple, we're thinking much bigger than just cross-border payments. It's kind of like Amazon with rare books in the early days. Just this market happens to be a $10 trillion market.
And welcome back to the 10x Gains channel. Let's get right into another one. XRP at 241. Today is Sunday, December 15th, 11:30 a.m. And this is a weekly close analysis. So as you know, we have a weekly close today. In 7.5 hours, we will have the weekly close. Guys, if you follow me on YouTube at our 10x Gains channel, please subscribe to the channel. This is what I posted a week from today. XRP's 6th green week in a row, question mark, a weekly close analysis. Let's listen to what I said. If we've had 5 green weeks in a row, next week would have to be red, right? Unless for some reason we break history and we have a green week. Now, I'm not trying to be bearish or anything like that. I'm just trying to look at both sides and be conservative as possible when analyzing the charts. We've never seen 6 green weeks in a row. So, and that's crazy, you know. I'm looking at this breakout where we have massive volume. So guys, as I was saying, I was like, you know what? Like, let's look at the charts with an open mind. Let's be conservative about it. We've never had 6 green weeks in a row. Will this 6th week be red or green? I was leaning more towards the red side. And we did have a red week this week. We sure did. Unless we close above 260 in the next 7 hours. But it's looking like it's going to close red. But guys, these red candles, especially on the weekly time frame, are super bullish. These red candles that have a long wick to the downside but close up, that have no upper wick, extremely bullish candles. Because you can see we came down, but we actually closed, and we got a lot of buying pressure pushing the price back up. So that's actually a good bullish sign. Do I think next week will be green? I do. I think we're getting ready to take off. If you notice on the daily time frame, we did break above resistance, and we are holding it as support right now. So we should get ready to pop off any minute now, any day now. If we go to the 4 hour, same thing. We're holding the ribbon. We're holding this resistance as now support. So as long as we keep this up, we are looking very bullish for XRP to take its next move higher. How high can we go? You know, where do you want to take profits and sell? I'm going to be making a video later tonight. I'm going to be dropping price targets for XRP's next leg higher. But this is just a quick weekly analysis. We had our 6th week after 5 green weeks in a row, a massive pump. We have the 6th week as red. Can we break through and continue higher on our next leg up next week? We'll see, guys. We'll see. I'll keep you updated along the way. Like I said earlier about this bullish candle, this weekly candle with that wick to the downside but pulling up. Let me show you an example of this. So if we go back, let me see. Because, well, we're currently in an uptrend, so I want to find one on an uptrend. So if we go back, let's go back to the last pump. So you can see this candle here, right? This one right here. It's a similar candle to the one we have this week. A wick to the downside and all the way up, but it doesn't have an upper wick. This one right here, the body is kind of too big for what I'm talking about. But it doesn't have an upper wick, and it did pull up a little bit. Note, we did take off very shortly after that candle. Here's one right here where we came down, we pulled up, and then we just took off from there. So in the uptrends, they can be bullish candles. Like, they can lead to potentially bullish pumps after these types of candles. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep a look at it. and I'll keep you updated in the next one. Until next time, guys, watch this pattern. Watch this flag that we're in. We're in this massive bull flag, and I'm going to be showing you the targets later in a different video. But look at this flag that we're in. We just broke out of. We're holding it as support. Watch this pump today and in the next week. Watch this pump because we're getting ready for our next leg higher. So just be careful. Watch this. It's going to be awesome. I'll see you on the moon.
Good.